How to add friends on Plex. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can easily add friends on Plex. Adding friends on Plex lets you share your movies, TV shows, music, and playlists safely while keeping control over what each friend can access. First things first, launch open the Plex application on your smartphone or your tablets and make sure you're logged into your account. After you're signed into the Plex homepage, go ahead and click on Discover from the bottom right corner, and from the Discover page, make sure you've selected people from the top. Now go ahead and enter the name of the contact you want to add as a friend. You can also search by their location or interest. After making a search, from the search results, find the contact you want to add as a friend and tap on their name or profile icon. Now, on the next page, click on the three dots right next to Follow button and click on Add Friend at the bottom. Now you'll be able to send the friend request to the person. They will need to approve your request so that they can be your friend on Plex. Repeat this step for every other contact you'd like to add as a friend, and once they accept your friend request, you'll be able to be friends on Plex. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.